Hello, and welcome to this course on Planning, Protection and Optimisation. My name's Andrew Gilbert. I'm here to take you through the videos on this particular course. So let's think about what a service needs. Basically, it's there to support the business and support the customers. And to do this, we're usually, with a new service, trying to remove constraints they're currently suffering from or improve their existing performance. How do we do that? Well, we make sure that we gather the requirements properly from the organisation, from the various stakeholders, and then we take time to design and develop the services in an appropriate manner. However, even with this proper planning, things still can go wrong. So, for example, you may suffer services that are always crashing. They're that wonderful thing called they're running slow. They're possibly hacked, some sort of security incident, or even the service has been out for so many hours or days that they're not happy with the service that you're delivering. So all these things we need to consider when we're looking at planning, protection and optimisation. Planning for the services properly, protecting them when they're live, and then optimising them as they go through their life. To do that, utility is all about being fit for purpose, and we also need to consider four other aspects. Capacity, availability, security and continuity. And these four, as you'll recall from your foundation, make up the warranty aspect. So in ITIL terms, we need to look at both fit for purpose and fit for use. Together, fit for purpose and fit for use gives us value. So in order to do that, planning, protection, optimization looks specifically at these 6 processes. 5 of them from service design and 1 of them from service strategy. So when we're looking at the major PPO processes, we'll start with strategy and demand management within service strategy. What demand management is looking at is at a high level, what sort of demand are we going to have for these services, when are they going to be used, what's important, etc. We then look at design coordination. Now, design coordination in service design is all about making sure that all the processes within the service design book are actually undertaken properly. So that will be all the warranty aspects, availability, capacity, continuity, security, and also referencing service level management, service catalogue management, and supplier management. Making sure that they all work together to make sure that we design things properly and then can maintain them in the future. If we look a bit more closely then at capacity management working closely with demand management would ensure that we understand what capacity requirements are there, what sort of performance we're needing, what sort of equipment we're going to need, and then when the service has gone live, how we will then support it in a live operation. We then look at availability management, and a bit like capacity management, it's understanding what we need to do, very much proactive at the beginning in design, and then looking after or supporting services once they've gone into live operation. For service continuity management, almost a twin of availability, whereas availability management is looking at how do we make the service run and keep it up and running. IT service continuity management is very much looking at, well, if something bad goes wrong and we have to go to a different recovery site, what sort of aspects do we need to worry about? What do we need to think about? How do we support the business continuity plans? And then finally, information security management, a key one in today's world. How do we keep the data, the information secure within the organisations? How do we design security into all the applications and the services that we're going to be delivering? Those are the 5 or 6 processes that we're going to be looking at throughout the PPO course.